You come in, you put your card in, you take your clothes, you go to work. End of the day, you come, you put your card in, you put your clothes back, you go home. It's simple.
The hospital name is the Nazareth Hospital, EMMS, and we are serving population of about 500,000 people in Nazareth and around.
Basically, there was a pile of clothes and first come, first served. So you could come to work in the morning and quite simply not find clothes.
We are using the Polytex machine since 2018, it was for 3 years now. I worked before in Hadassah Hospital in Jerusalem to use the Polytex machine, and it was so simple, so easy, and so achievable. We decided to bring it here.
When we take them from the machine, they're always clean, hygienic, they're folded. There's a lot of satisfaction amongst the staff. Instead of waiting 20 minutes for someone to come and find you clean clothes, it's always available. It's very simple to use. You don't have to wait in line. You always have the size that you want or need, and it cuts out a lot of hard work for the boss and a lot of frustration for the staff.
Now we are in the hospital, are fully controlled. Okay, we know the exact amount of scrubs that we have. It's simple to add users and remove users. Financially, it saves a lot of money. First of all, it saves time. Time is money in hospitals and especially in operating room. I recommend Polytex for some reasons. First of all, it takes the headache away from the bosses and the users. It's simple to use, it's so efficient. We feel like we have moved into the 21st century.